Namaskar, this is Dr. Hema Divakar, the CEO and Chairman of ARTIST, which expands as Asian Research and Training Institute for Skill Transfer. This is an institute based out of Bengaluru, which has the vision and dream to do the original operational research in a pragmatic and a practical manner in both rural and urban India, because in the Indian context there are many things which need to be worked out very differently to suit the context, to suit the logistics, to suit the feasibility of implementing these clinical protocols in our own context for the benefit of our women and children. And another component of this institute is the training by skill transfer. We need to make sure that training is just not about the certificates, but it is about competency. So anybody who carries a piece of paper which is called the certificate from ARTIST, be sure that the competency in that particular skill is assured and ensured before they leave the course, because the training and retraining, the role plays, the mock drills, the rehearsals, and everything that involves in order to make sure that the skill is adequately and completely transferred without a compromise in the quality of the training. It is a low-dose, high-intensity training each time for smaller groups of people, because each of them should be individually supervised and none should escape our vision of actually being certified as competent in performing that particular skill. So with this vision and mission, ARTIST today has embarked on yet another new initiative of imparting the quality training for safe deliveries as per the standard clinical protocols in this entire country for the maternal and newborn health. So this is Dr. Hema Divakar signing off as the CEO and Chairman of ARTIST from Bengaluru.